Hi everyone! If you want to grow fresh green indoors all year round without any mess, growing pea shoots might just be the right choice for you. It's fresh, delicious, and nutritious. We begin by preparing 2 cups of green peas. You can use either yellow or green peas. Rinse them well. Take out the peas if they are floating. The peas that look like this should be removed. Soak the peas in water for 2 days. After 2 days of soaking, 1 bowl of peas become 2 bowls. Spread out the peas and take out the bad ones. Take out the ones that are soft and the one didn't expand. You can use any containers that has holes at the bottom, and I found the pizza baking pan from the kitchen. It's perfect for growing pea shoots. Put the paper towel on top of the baking pan and spread out the peas. Give them some space so the peas don't get moldy. Cover up with another paper towel. This will help to keep the moisture in. Remember to water them 2 times a day. Make sure they are not too wet or too dry. This will help them to grow better. Prepare a large pan to catch the water underneath. Cover it up with a black colored towel to block the sunlight in the first few days. By blocking the sunlight, this will help the pea shoots grow stronger. Remember to water them 2 times a day, even though the towel is covered. Take off the towel and the paper towel until you see the green leaves come out. This is the 3rd time we're gonna remove the bad peas, which are soft and have not sprouted. Now what you need to do, just remember to water them 2 times a day. A good length to cut it off is at 15 days. After 15 days, it grows to about 20 centimeters. They will tend to get tough when it's longer. You can also use a salad spinner to grow pea shoot, but it is quite difficult to cut. Cut the shoots 1 inch above the peas. Water them 2 times a day and they will grow again. You can use it in sandwiches or in salads. Prepare the 2nd crop by removing the bad peas again. Also remember to change the water from the bottom pan often. It's very convenient to grow pea shoots indoors. You can have multiple harvests. They will start to grow back after you cut them the first time. They might grow a 3rd time with some luck. Now you have it. You can enjoy growing and eating pea shoots with your family. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to cook the pea shoot in soup. If you like our video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.